what, guys? You need to go like that one. Look, she get your shit. Look, she label your shit. Look. Boom. Ready to do car shit. Anyways, she don't look so bad. I keep me off. I'm trying to make this camera focus on her, but it's a lot of. She's not that bad. Let me see what their rims look like. I'm about to pull piston one out, so let's see how that comes out. Yeah, so she was mixing oil. She started to mix it. See how she looking in there. Give me a little mark in this for me tapping it right now. Hey, that's for me right there. Not bad. This might have been spinning on there, I don't know. Yes. See the rings. These are moving. The bottom ones are starting to stick already. Bottom ones are stuck, so alright, cool. Sweet.
You don't wanna go, but I'm not staying. See, you found love, but I'm just staging. Oh, the fire's low, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But you know that we might still get burned. It's a carousel of words running around, going nowhere. How do you survive while I'm burning alive? Though the flame is there, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But we cannot burn without nowhere. The fire is raging. Wanna run again.
I took apart. Let's see how West nigga out here. He here too. He's watching today. He watching today. He gotta go work. But alright, West nigga. We out here. Yeah, don't forget to follow us now. You gotta follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You know, you got West nigga 561. And you got Team Speedway. You follow me on Instagram, you see the live videos. I've been doing this shit live, so if you don't want to be waiting the process, you want to see everything I do or the shit I talk, just follow us on Instagram, Facebook. But she's out. I gotta clean her out. I opened my motherfucking rebuild kit and I'm missing my main bearings. I don't know why they didn't come in the kit, but I just messaged the people. Told them I'm missing my shit. We need to send me my main bearings. So we'll see. Well, guys, here she is, ready to get cleaned up. I gotta take all the gunk out of it. I think she was painted black before. Gotta find out. There's nothing doing that, cleaning her up. I just noticed the kit didn't bring me no freeze plugs or didn't bring me no balancer rings. I don't know if you see that in there. It's for a balancer. It goes that way, and then this is the smaller one back there that goes in there. It's on both sides. So I gotta get that. I don't know what the hell happened. I gotta see if I ordered the wrong kit or what happened. I hope I didn't order the wrong kit, but if I did, I just gotta buy the pieces that I'm missing. Because everything else is matching except those few things, so we'll see.